In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon in Wix. If you're not familiar with the term, a favicon is the small icon that appears on your browser tab when you're visiting a website. It not only helps brand your site, but also makes it easy for users to identify and navigate back to your web page among the many tabs they might have open. So let's dive right in and see how you can add one to your Wix site. To kick things off, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. From there, look towards the section titled Site and Mobile App. On the right side of your screen, you'll see Site Settings. Click on that. This will bring up a new menu featuring various site settings. As you navigate through the Site Settings menu, you'll notice a specific section dedicated to changing your favicon image. You might also come across options related to other visuals, like the general social image. It's crucial to note here that in order to change your favicon, you'll need to have upgraded to a premium plan with Wix. If you haven't done this yet, you'll need to upgrade your plan to proceed further. However, if you're already on a premium plan, let's keep moving forward. You'll soon spot the option to upload an image for your new favicon. Look for the Upload Image button and click on it. This will prompt a dialog box to appear, allowing you to select the image file you wish to use as your favicon. Remember, favicons are actually quite small, so it's important to choose an image that maintains clarity and recognition even when minimized. Opting for a simple logo or symbol that stands out is often the best approach. Once you've identified the perfect image on your computer, select it and click Open to begin the upload process. After the image uploads, Wix will present you with a preview so you can see how your favicon will look. Take a moment here to ensure it aligns with your visual expectations, as this tiny icon forms an integral part of your site's identity. If the preview looks great and you're satisfied, it's time for the final steps. To set your favicon in place, click on Add to Site. This action ensures that when visitors head to your site, the favicon will display in the Browser tab, helping them quickly identify your website among their open tabs. Lastly, it's vital to make your changes official. Before wrapping up, click Save to lock in your updates and make them live. By doing this, your favicon is now successfully integrated, enhancing your visitors' browsing experience while reinforcing your site's visual brand. Thanks for tuning in. Happy customizing.